Welcome everyone, today I'll be showing you how to draw Buddy from Dinosaur Train. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw a large oval for the front of the head. We're going to start right in the middle, go all the way around toward the left side, come back across the middle, and then pull that back in towards the top. Let's layer two small circles along the top for the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the left, going all the way around, and then tuck that in, line this up on the right, going all the way around, and then in. Let's round out the top of the head, going up and then down. Now I want to push the iris and pupil towards the inside, so we're going to draw a smaller circle on the left, and then the right. Draw a smaller circle in the center and fill those in black. Now let's move down towards the bottom. We're going to draw the chin, coming down, across, and then up. Let's trace that along the inside. And we'll add some teeth across the top. Starting from the left, we're going to come down and up like a V, and just work our way across towards the right. Let's add a few teeth across the bottom, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I'm going to go over towards the side and draw two small ovals and fill those in black for the nostrils. And then we'll add some diamond patterns across the head. Let's start with one across the top, coming down along the side, back in towards the middle, and then from the top, we're going to go up and then down. Let's add a couple more. And add a smaller one on the bottom. Now I want to leave a gap underneath the head and draw the side of the body. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to start by curving this down and out. Line this up on the right side. Let's curve the body and bend that back in towards the feet. In the middle along the bottom, we're going to add a curve coming down and up. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the heel on the left and right side. On the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then out towards the first claw. Bend this up and then in. Let's add two more claws on either side. Bend this out, pull that back in. Let's do that one more time, going out, bend this up and then in towards the base of the leg. Now I'm going to go all the way up towards the top and draw on the arm. Let's start from the left, we're going to step down, bend the arm, go out, and then down towards the wrist. Draw a small half circle for the thumb, close that off with a bracket. Then we're going to add three fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around the bracket, go to the side, and the second finger, and just round out the palm coming in towards the wrist. Let's bend the arm coming back up and then in underneath the head. Now let's finish off with the tail coming out from the left side, coming down and then out. And we'll bend that back in towards the side of the leg, and we'll separate the tip of each claw with a curve. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Buddy from Dinosaur Train. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.